In this episode, we are going to create all the remaining components of our project. This third episode is a bit long, but at the end of it, you will be able to create basic single-page applications. Without further ado, let's dive into this episode. To make it simple, we are going to work along with the final application. In episode 2, we ended up with the Navbar. Let's continue with it. First, let's edit the Navbar brand to Bird Galaxy. Alright, now we have to modify the background color of the Navbar. To do so, let's head to the official Bootstrap website. Okay, we are going to look for background colors. Here are the default background colors provided by Bootstrap 4. The one we need is from the BG-Info class. Replace BG Dark by BG-Info. Great, the Navbar is done. Now let's create the home component. Open up a new session, and type in the displayed command. Note that we place the home component into a Pages folder. This is not mandatory, but it will help structure our project. Here is the Pages folder with the home component inside. Now, let's declare it into the app component. Here we are, our home component is showing up. Let's put something meaningful inside it. Just get rid of the initial content. We'll create a div with class of container, text center, and PB5. This will center the text in the div, and add some padding at the bottom of it. Now, let's add a H1 header with Kingfisher as title. Let's see how that goes. Great. For the Kingfisher picture, we'll head to Pixabay, which is a really cool website with a ton of high-quality pictures. Okay, just type Kingfisher into the search bar. This is the one. Different dimensions are available. Select the smallest one. I'm just gonna save it to the desktop. Also, change the default name to Kingfisher to make it simpler. Now, drag the Kingfisher file to the Assets folder. This folder is meant to hold files such as pictures, sounds, or videos for your application. Let's add this image to the home component. To do so, we'll get back to the Bootstrap website, because we want it to be responsive. This one should do the job. We can now type in the picture's location. Actually, we're going to get rid of the content of the alt attribute. Perfect, this works as expected, but let's test it out on smartphones. As you can see, the content is fully responsive. Now, I think it's enough for today. We're gonna close the episode here. See you tomorrow for the next part.